want to hold it for me, Lise? Try and eat my ice cream.
Okay. Well, wait. It's come right now.
Ah! Oh.
Hold on. Oh, dude, it hit the ground like 3 times already.
We'll get it.
You can hear it or what?
Fuck yeah.
The lightning's hitting the ground. It was over there too. That big one, that was huge.
What? Right there?
Yeah, hold it. I'm trying to eat my ice cream. Face it over there. See the lights hit? Yeah, face it over there. And keep the lights on the bottom so you can see it hit the ground.
That's right there.
Let's keep it recording. With my ice cream, damn it.
You guys are switching off.
Here, Dad, hold the cup. Hold the cup.
When the whole cup?
So I can record it.
Huh?
Watch, just wait for it to come.
There it is.
Oh, yeah!
You see that?
You got it
I
on!
got it.
Yeah, that was the best one, too.
It was like 4 of them, huh? Go ahead, by the
Jacob, you're in the way.
Shit.
Where are you
Look
going?
at the other one over here.
Oh. It's gonna electrocute your ass.
Raleigh in Mexico.
Woo!
He's scared.
Run!
That means the fucking... Get all your
You
rooms
can
nice
hear
and
all
cold.
the thunder.
Chocolate thunder.
Get your rooms cold. The power's gonna go off. I'm used to the heat. Fuck it.
Shut up. Jacob, fucking
He's all
it
bobbing
up.
his head, watching by and shit.
You see the guy walking by the water?
Oh, you saw those Jesus, man.
It was Moses, you dummy, who walked on water.
Whoa!
Wow, you see that one?
Wasn't it? Oh, shit. You hear the ambulance and shit? Old people are having heart attacks.
You're messed up. I love you, Lisa, let's get naked and dance out here, do our witchcraft and
Woo!
shit.
Fucking sound that made the 3 dots? Yeah, like your eyes and
You got one more good one.
right here, the eyes and the nose and the mouth.
What?
What are you talking about?
He's this high.
He's a good shit. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds right there. They're turning like that.
Oh, they
The white
are.
clouds.
Oh,
Yeah. Look at how black it is out here.
And look at those clouds that are white.
that looks weird.
This looks like a face right here. This eye.
Whoa!
I wasn't looking.
You can watch it.
Can I stop now?
Yeah, pause it.